to the Cooking General, man. Today we're gonna do some crawfish Cajun spaghetti. Man, a crawfish Cajun spaghetti, man, I'm telling you, let's go back way down south. Let me tell you about that crawfish Cajun spaghetti. Man, it's gonna be pretty easy to do now. Don't get don't get me wrong, it ain't too hard to do. Now come let me show you what you need for it first. Okay, first you're gonna need some spaghettis. Alright, for the vegetable part, just onions and bell pepper, can of mushrooms, and you're gonna need some minced garlic. You're gonna need butter to saute them in. Now for your seasoning, just some black pepper, parsley flakes, cayenne pepper, red pepper, and some Creole seasoning. And for the meat, you're gonna need your crawfish tails. These are pre-cooked, so we're gonna add these last. Sausage is almost done. This is red hot links here. They're almost done, and we got about a pound of ground meat. Spank it right there. Now, whoo, get ready for the Cajun spaghetti because it's gonna be on, man. Woo, let's do it Cajun style. Welcome back to the Cooking General, man. This Cajun spaghetti is off the hook. Let me show you, put this bill down. Now, see, you go ahead and brown your sausage. I got it all cut up all around and stuff. Got it off in there. Now, you want to take your spaghettis, take them out like that, break them in half, dump them in that water. Now, what I didn't tell you, because I'm getting a little forgetful, add a little salt to that water. Alrighty. Now, I'll stir them around because I don't want them to stick. All right. Now, we got the sugar going. Now we got our butter over here melted. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put my vegetables in there. Put my onions and bell pepper off in there and get it all out of there. Now, I'm going to let that saute. A little bit later, I'm going to add my mushrooms to it. But right now, I'm just going to let it sit there. And then, you're also going to need some heavy whipping cream, too. Because that's what I'm going to make my sauce with. That's what I'm going to cook everything down with. So don't forget, you're going to need some heavy whipping cream. Man, this Cajun spaghetti is going to be good. It's going to, oh man, oh man. Oh, welcome back to the Cooking General. Man, woo, hold on, y'all. It's going good. It's going good. Now come here, let me show you what I'm doing here. Now, I got my onions and bell pepper off in there. They're in that butter. Now, I did add me a teaspoon of minced garlic, and I put my mushrooms in there. Now, that's sauteed all real good, that butter. Now, once I get them vegetables like I want them, that's cool. Spaghetti's are doing good over here. I'm going to go ahead and add my crawfish to that. Put those crawfish tails in there. You can see that's a bunch of crawfish tails. Oh yeah, put them in there. Put them in there. Get every last one right there. Okay, set this over here. Now, I got this added. I'll stir this in. Now, what you want to do now, you want to go ahead and add that heavy whipped cream to it. And this is a pint of heavy whipped cream. And to calm that down. Now, I'm going to put this here back on medium, a little over medium. Alright, you stir that around in there. Then, that's when you start adding your seasoning. I can't really tell you on the season now. You got to add what you want. I like mine hot, so this is my cayenne pepper. Which is going to take it over the top. Got to have it. I'm even putting some red pepper in mine too. You know what I'm saying? Got to take it over the top with me. That's just me. Alrighty. Some black pepper. Alright. Right there. And your favorite Cajun or Creole seasoning. Oh yeah, right there. Man, there we go. Now you let that go. We're gonna stir that on up. We're gonna stir it. Spaghetti's about done. That's about done. And then about when I come back, I'm gonna add my ground meat and sausage that I already browned and strained. So this is ready to go. Off in there too. Whew, boy, y'all just don't, man. Somebody just, no, you couldn't, no, you done messed it up. Welcome back to the Cooking General, man. I'm sorry about that last video. You know, people come knocking on the door and bust up in here, and I'm shooting a video. And another thing I want to let y'all know about, I know I got a problem with that white balance on the camera. This thing been dropped so many times, but I'm getting new video equipment next week. So you ain't got to worry about that no more. And everything will be high definition 4K. So let's get ready to show you how this look, man. Crawfish Cajun spaghetti. Look at this here. Now look at that. Look at that. Partially flakes, look at that. You got your sausage, crawfish, your mushroom, your noodles, that creamy sauce. You got your garlic bread. Oh boy, y'all just can't tell me nothing. Come on, y'all, hit that music. Let me show 'em.